Everyone has had that emotion. As soon as you catch a glance of yourself in the mirror, self-doubt overwhelms you. Perhaps it's an opinion on how you look, a memory of a mistake you made in the past, or a persistent worry of falling short. Everybody has those times, those daily internal conflicts they struggle with in front of the mirror. But what if I told you that the mirror can be more than just a reflection of your physical self? What if it could become a tool for transformation, a way to rewrite the negative narratives we tell ourselves, and a path towards greater self-esteem? It may sound surprising, but it's a simple yet powerful technique called mirror work. Mirror work is the practice of looking directly at yourself in the mirror and speaking affirmations aloud. It's a way of consciously changing the conversation you have with yourself, replacing self-criticism with self-love and acceptance. It might feel a bit awkward or uncomfortable at first, but the benefits are truly remarkable. So how does mirror work actually work? It all comes down to the incredible power of our brains. You see, our brains have these amazing cells called mirror neurons. These neurons fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else doing the same action. It's why we smile when we see someone else smiling, or why we cringe when we see someone get hurt. When we look at ourselves in the mirror and speak positive affirmations, our mirror neurons light up. We're not just saying the words, we're experiencing them as if someone else is saying them to us. It's like giving ourselves a pep talk, but with the added impact of our own reflection reinforcing the message. But mirror work goes even deeper than that. Our brains are incredibly adaptable, thanks to a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. This means that our brains can change and form new connections throughout our lives. When we repeatedly engage in positive self-talk through mirror work, we're essentially rewiring our brains to focus on our strengths, our worth, and our potential. The science behind mirror work is fascinating, but the real magic lies in the transformation it can bring to our lives. When we consistently practice mirror work, we start to see ourselves in a new light. We become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and we develop a greater sense of compassion for ourselves. Think of it this way. If you had a friend who constantly criticized and belittled themselves, would you want to be around them? Probably not. In the same way, the negative self-talk we engage in can be incredibly draining and damaging to our well-being. But when we replace that negativity with positive affirmations, we create a more supportive and loving environment for ourselves to thrive. And as we continue to practice mirror work, our self-confidence begins to soar. We start to believe the positive things we say to ourselves, and that belief radiates outward into our lives. We take more risks, we pursue our goals with greater determination, and we handle challenges with more resilience. The mirror becomes not just a reflection of who we are, but a portal to who we can become. The benefits of mirror work are vast and profound. It's not just about boosting your self-esteem. It's about cultivating a deeper understanding and acceptance of yourself. While you spend time looking into your own eyes and speaking words of affirmation, you become more self-aware. You begin to notice your strengths, your quirks, and even your imperfections. But instead of judging yourself harshly, you learn to accept all aspects of who you are. This newfound self-awareness leads to increased self-compassion. You start to treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend. When you make a mistake, you forgive yourself instead of dwelling on it. When you face a challenge, you offer yourself encouragement instead of criticism. This shift in perspective can be incredibly liberating, allowing you to let go of the burden of perfectionism and accept your humanness. And as you practice self-compassion, your confidence naturally begins to blossom. You realize that you are worthy of love, respect, and success, simply because you exist. This newfound confidence isn't about arrogance or ego. It's a quiet knowingness that you have something valuable to offer the world. It's the kind of confidence that allows you to speak up for yourself, pursue your dreams, and set healthy boundaries in your relationships. But how do you actually go about doing mirror work? It's surprisingly simple, but it does require a commitment to consistency. First, find a time and place where you won't be interrupted. It could be first thing in the morning, right before bed, or even a few minutes during your lunch break. The key is to make it a regular part of your routine. Next, stand or sit in front of a mirror where you can see your face clearly. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and relax your body. Then, look directly into your own eyes. It might feel a bit uncomfortable at first, but try to maintain eye contact with yourself. Now, it's time for the affirmations. These are positive statements that you say to yourself, either out loud or silently. You can use affirmations that resonate with you personally, or you can find inspiration from books, websites, or even social media. Some examples of affirmations include: I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am strong, resilient, and resourceful. I am grateful for all the good in my life. While you say these affirmations, try to feel the truth of them in your body. Notice any sensations that arise, whether it's a warmth in your chest, a tingling in your hands, or a sense of calmness washing over you. It's natural to encounter obstacles when starting on a new journey, and mirror work is no exception. Initially, you might feel a sense of unease or self-consciousness staring into your own eyes. Perhaps you struggle to maintain eye contact, or find it difficult to genuinely believe the affirmations you speak. It's crucial to remember that these emotions are completely valid and simply indicate you're venturing beyond your familiar territory. The key lies in perseverance and patience. Don't abandon mirror work merely because it feels uncomfortable at the outset. Continue practicing, and gradually, you'll find yourself easing into the process. If distracting thoughts or self-doubt creep in, gently acknowledge them without judgment, and redirect your focus back to your affirmations. Remember, you're essentially rewiring your brain, and it requires consistent effort and repetition to establish enduring change. In certain cases, mirror work may bring forth deeper emotional issues. If you've encountered past trauma or adversity, these emotions might surface during your practice. If this occurs, prioritize self-compassion and consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. While mirror work can be a valuable tool for healing, it's not a replacement for professional guidance. Mirror work doesn't stop at the mirror's edge. In fact, it's merely one facet of a holistic approach to self-care. While you continue your journey of self-discovery and self-love, it's important to integrate other healthy habits into your life. This might include engaging in regular physical activity, nourishing your body with wholesome foods, and spending time in nature. By taking care of your physical and emotional well-being, you create a fertile ground for self-esteem to flourish. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you prioritize your own well-being, you're better equipped to show up for others and make a positive impact on the world. So don't hesitate to invest in yourself and make self-care a non-negotiable part of your daily life. If you find yourself grappling with deep-seated self-esteem issues or struggling to make progress on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional support. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you navigate complex emotions and develop effective coping mechanisms. They can provide a safe and supportive space for you to explore your challenges and work towards healing and growth. Mirror work is a powerful tool that can transform your relationship with yourself. It's a simple yet effective practice that can help you cultivate self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-confidence. By looking into your own eyes and speaking words of affirmation, you can rewire your brain for positivity and create lasting change in your life. It's important to remember that mirror work is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and triumphs. But if you commit to the practice, you'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your well-being. So take a deep breath, look into the mirror, and start speaking your truth. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Believe it, and you will become it. The journey towards self-love and acceptance isn't always a linear path. There will be moments of doubt and setbacks along the way. But even in those moments, the mirror can be a source of comfort and encouragement. It can remind you of your strengths, your resilience, and your inherent worth. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Many others have walked this path before you, and they have emerged stronger and more empowered. While it's a way of life, it's a commitment to treating yourself with kindness, respect, and compassion. It's a willingness to look within and acknowledge your true self, with all its beauty and imperfections. And as you do, you'll find that the love you have for yourself radiates outward, touching every aspect of your life. Mirror work isn't just about self-improvement, it's about self-discovery. As you spend time reflecting on your thoughts, feelings, and experiences, you'll gain a deeper understanding of who you are and what you truly desire. Mirror work is a healing technique that gives you the ability to reach your greatest potential. It's an adventure of self-acceptance, self-love, and self-discovery. The mirror will start to reflect your inner beauty, toughness, and strength as you take care of your relationship with yourself. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel in order to receive more information on well-being and personal development if this video speaks to you. Never forget that the first step on the path to self-love is to face the mirror. You'll start to identify your values, your passions, and your purpose in life. This self-knowledge is invaluable, as it empowers you to make choices that align with your authentic self, leading to greater fulfillment and happiness. The mirror can also be a tool for self-expression. As you become more comfortable with your reflection, you might find yourself experimenting with different facial expressions, body language, or even vocal tones. This can be a playful and creative way to explore different aspects of yourself and express your emotions freely. It can also help you develop greater confidence in your communication skills and your ability to connect with others.